Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make a stress reliever. It is a toy. It is a toy. If you push here, it raises up. And again if you push these four corners down, it again raises up. Like this. You can see here also. Now I will tell you how to make it. For this we need a square sheet of paper. Keep the white color side up and the color side down. First fold the paper in half. Open it up and now fold these two edges to this middle crease. Like this, and now fold it vertically like this to meet this edge to this line. Like this. Open it up and now fold these two edges to this middle crease. And now fold the paper in two diagonals. When you fold one side of the diagonal, when you open it up, you can notice that these 2 points are coming like this. Keep them like that and fold into again another diagonal. Now again if you open it up, you can see that they have changed into this shape like this. And now turn this like this and now take each flap and open it like this and squash it. Do the same for all these leftover 3 flaps. Like this. And now you should make a square thing like this. Take one flap and make a squash fold like this. Do the same for all these 3 flaps. Like this. And now fold, take one square and fold this point to this upper point as shown. do the same for all these leftover 3 squares. And now fold all the squares again up like this, like this, like this, like this. So now you will get something like this. Now take one flap here and fold this edge to this edge. Do the same for this one also. Like this. And now turn it over, and now here you can see a square or a diamond. Near the diamond you will see something like a triangle here, like this. Near the triangle, if you open this flap up here like this, you can see that one pocket is here. Pull that pocket like this to meet this one to this, like this, like this. So now that you can notice that now you have the point this side. Now this point goes magically this side if you do it like this. See, it went like this. Do the same for all these parts. Like this, like this, like this, like this. So you get something like this, like a photo frame. Now take these triangles and fold them inwards like this. Do the same for all the triangles. Now you can notice that again these two diamonds have returned back, but we don't need that. Again close the flaps here like this and like this. Turn the model over and you will have these diagonal creases. Make these diagonal creases like this, more hard, like this, like this. Like this. So if you take one diagonal crease here and fold these two edges to this middle line like this as a square base, like this. You push down here, they will come like this, and fold it like this. Okay, just like this and push it down. And just make it flat, your model, like this. And now search for this kind of pieces. If you open it up, you can see that a pocket, and fold that like this, squash fold, just like how you do a flower. Now search for this kind of pieces where you get, not this kind of pieces. Okay, we got another one here. We will have these pieces only 4. Do the same if you got them. Again search for them. Okay, I got here. Again we should search. Okay, I got here again. And now again you should search for another kind of pieces like this. You pull them, they will open it like this, but don't pull so much. So keep it like this. Again search for. So when you search for these pieces, just open these pockets here and just gently pull here like this, but don't pull too much, otherwise it will tear. Again search for this kind of pieces now. Catch it like this only. Like this, search. Okay, I got here. Again I will do the same thing. Do the same thing. I got here. I got here. And now catch these pieces which you have done now like this. Check that you have got 4 pieces. Okay. Like this. Like this. And just now you got 4 pieces, just pull it like this. Only gently. Like this. Just. If you pull too much, it will tear. And now don't turn it here. And now the last step is, now we'll have 4 pieces here, means 4 corners. If you do like that, and they will be attached. Just separate them like this. And when you are separating them fully, be careful down. Just separate them like this. We have them. This, and it pops up like this, and turn it over and just gently pull these pieces like this, and you have completed your stress reliever. It is an origami toy. You push here and again push these 4 corners down. This middle point goes up like this. It forms an hat also, a Japanese hat. Now you have completed your stress reliever, small one, big one. But be careful, if you are practicing it, just gently squash it like this. Otherwise if you squash too much like this, it will go. It will go. It will tear if you squash like that. But you play like this only. You can decorate it with some pieces. Okay. Bye bye. See you later.